Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect three separate tables in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document with three separate tables. Now you can see here are my three separate tables with my documents. Now I connect these three separate tables in this document. At first you have to select these second tables to drag on your mouse. Then press Ctrl X to cut on these tables. Then clicks bottom of this first table and press Ctrl V. Now you can see I connect first two tables. Now same work, I connect these last three tables. Select these last tables and press Ctrl X to cut on these tables. Then press bottom on these second tables. Then press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste these tables here. Now you can see I connect three separate tables in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.